Well, welcome back to Barley and Hops. I'm George. We are so glad to have you here again today. To all our viewers out there, we appreciate your comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share us with your friends. We only get stronger and better as we do this. Just recently, we did a video, you can see that here, on the Inkbird ITC608T. And this does heat and humidity, either or both, and it's a very precise control. It works from like 0 degrees, now we're talking about temperature, 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, or 32 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So it really lends itself to a fermentation process, and you know that the season's here. So if you're trying to control that temperature in your fermentation chamber, it's an excellent choice. Now, Inkbird appreciates your support and our community so much that they've offered a 15% discount for those of you who order and enter the following discount code. Order it from Amazon, I got the links below, and enter this discount code and you'll receive a 15% discount. That brings us down to about, on average, depending on which one of those links, about 53 bucks. And that's pretty substantial savings, if you ask me. So, until next time, happy distilling.